dum da dum da 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 dum da dum da dum da dum da 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 da.
To the room, passing out $100 bills, and it kills and it thrills like the horns on my Silverado grill. And I buy the bar a double round of Crown, and everybody's getting down in this town. Ain't never gonna be the same, 'cause I saddle up my horse and I ride into the city. I make a lot of noise, 'cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old stud Leroy, and the girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody says, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Well, I don't give a dang about nothing. I'm singing and bling-blinging while the girls are drinking. Long necks down, and I wouldn't trade old Leroy or my Chevrolet for your Escalade or your freak parade. I'm the only John Wayne left in this town. And I saddle up my horse and I ride into the city. I make a lot of noise, 'cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old stud Leroy, and the girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody says, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Thoroughbred, that's what she said in the back of my truck bed as I was getting buzzed on suds out on some backcountry road. We were flying high, fine as wine, having ourselves a big and rich time, and I was going just about as far as she'd let me go. But her evaluation of my cowboy reputation had me begging for salvation all night long. So I took her out gigging frogs, introduced her to my old bird dog, and sang her every Willie Nelson song I can think of, and we made love. And I saddle up my horse and I ride into the city. I make a lot of noise, 'cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old stud Leroy, and the girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody says, save a horse, ride a cowboy. What? Save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody says, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Well, we're coming to your city. Gonna play our guitars and sing you a country song. We'll all be flying higher than a jetliner. And if you want a little bang in your yin-yang, come along. Well, we flew through Cincinnati and we all got really happy. Grabbed a bowl of that Skyline chili along the way. Then we rolled on into Canton, scared the hell out of Marilyn Manson, and the party started happening. Hey, hey, hey. And in the middle of a Charleston night, we ran into Jessica White, and a little moonshine got us right plumb smack insane. And we're coming to your city. Gonna play our guitars and sing you a country song. We'll all be flying higher than a jet airliner. And if you want a little bang in your yin-yang, come along. Well, we broke down in Greenville in the middle of a hayfield, but a Bud Light truck pulled up and helped us out. So we did hit it up to Philly, partied down like real hillbillies, brought the music mafia and rocked it out. Oh, and Chippewa's where we go when in Buffalo. Don't you know those Yankees drink enough to drown? Yeah, we're coming to your city. Gonna play our guitars and sing you a country song. We'll all be flying higher than a jet airliner. And if you want a little bang in your yin yang, come along, come along. Listen up. Now LA's got the freaks at Pinks and $15 drinks, and San Antonio is a wild, wild rodeo. And in Phoenix, Arizona, we drank way too much Corona, and we woke up by the river in Jeff City, Mo. And we're coming to your city. Gonna play our guitars and sing you a country song. We'll all be flying higher than a jet airliner. And if you want a little bang in your yin yang, come along. Yeah, yeah, we're coming to your city. We're gonna play our guitars and sing you a country song. We'll all be flying higher than a jet airliner.
And your fingers ain't over the mouth.
Go back to the video.
Wait it.
Yeah, that's gonna be it. Freaking 6-pound fish, I guess.
It's facing me.
My number 4 weighs 6 pounds, 12 ounces.
Wait a minute. I'm gonna do that again.
Hang on, let me restart it. It's March 20th and we're at Donkey Land and catching big fish. There's a 6 pound, 12 ouncer, 23 inches. Come get some of this. My number 4, 612.
Black train coming round the bend. Go on, kid, folks, tell your mom and them. Chugga, ooh, the big black neck coming through to you. Boy, you done
As big as your other one, but that's good.
That's what they said.
Good, they got big heads, little bodies.
Not probable. Too
These are the
radical,
future
but
giants.
already been on the CMAs. Hell, Tim McGraw said he liked the change, said he likes the way.
Yeah, that's it. There's Lindsay's number 2.
When I stomp the ground, I'm big and black, clickety clack, and I make the train jump the track like that.
I play chicken with the train, play chicken with the train.
Some pretty fish, though. Healthy guy.
Mike, take a set deep into your ear. My voice is your choice
and
that
he's
you
number
wanted to
2.
hear. Southern boy making noise with a buffalo roll, less denim and bone, as you might have known. See me riding into town like a desperado with a big belt buckle, the cowboy bravado. All over the World Wide Web, you'll see download CBT on the MP3. Speak clearly what I'm saying so you comprehend. Hit the Never Hiccup radio, tune in. Rolling like thunder onto the scene. It's kind of hard to describe if you know what I mean. I never claimed to be the hardest of the roughest hard rocks, but I'm booming out the box. Skills got you jumping at your socks from Texas. Here I come, moving your body with the bass kick drum.
I play chicken with the train, play chicken with the train.
Yeah, that's the whole way. That's all they do is put their nose down the sand and make you just clap. Benji's number 3 in the boat. There's 8.
train, train. I play chicken with the train, play chicken with the train, train.
You know that I play chicken with the train, play chicken with the train, train. You know that I play chicken with the train, play chicken with the train, train.
Yeah. Catching fish.
One time,
And I just got jumbo here.
get you some of that.
She's got an alligator bag, top hat to match, dressed in black on black. Got a Filipino girlie, claims is her friend.
Thick.
I tell you boys, you just gotta laugh. Now I used to call her Cindy, she changed her name to Sin. Guess that's the name of her game. I really used to love her, and that kitty she discovered, it's gotta be a sexual thing. And all around the world, girls will be girls, and it's the same old situation. It's the same old ball and chain.
Having good
I
fish.
say no, no, no. I say no, 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 no.
Fish in there. I see fish in there.
Introduce me to a lover in a
This
cellophane
is number
dress.
6. 6 to
Then
6.
bid me a sweet farewell.
Not a grass for pretty fish.
Last time I saw them, they were kissing so softly to the sound
Not
of
really
the
little.
wedding bell.
Not bad at all.
Beautiful color. 6 to 6.
Girls will be girls, and it's the same old
Seven for India.
situation. It's the same old ball and chain. It's the same old situation. It's the same old ball and chain. I say no, no, no. I say no, 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 no.
Bottom.
It's the same old situation. It's the same old ball and chain. It's the same old situation.
Fire though.
It's the same old ball and chain. I say no, no,
Great.
I say no, no, no. I say
Yeah, they do look thin-bodied and big mouth.
I say no, no, no.
Number 8. Fat Joe. Number 9 in the boat of India. I got
gonna rock the boat. Gonna slam a jam with a brand new note, banging my head like a billy goat. Gonna rock the boat. Gonna grab a jug, have me a sip. Gonna dance a jig until my backbone slip. Jump on in and see if you float. Gonna rock the boat. Well, I play it fast and I play it slow, make a move everywhere I go. I push it hard and I lay it back, a longhorn horns on a Cadillac, kicking up dust with a cockeyed smile. See me coming for a country mile. All I'm doing is doing my thing, put a little turbo in my twang, make it crash, boom, bang. Whoa! Gonna rock the boat. Gonna slam a jam with a brand new note, banging my head like a billy goat. Gonna rock the boat. Gonna grab a jug, have me a sip. Gonna dance a jig until my backbone slip. Jump on in and see if you float. Gonna rock the boat. Are you picking up when I'm putting down? Are you getting all buck wild in the crowd? Bobbing your head, stomping them red wings, do your own thing. Down in the club with the purple drink, a long necking on a river bank, a tie-dye, a camouflage, uptown in the Moosehead Lodge. It's Bon Voyage. Well, gonna rock the boat. Gonna slam a jam with a brand new note, banging my head like a billy goat. Gonna rock the boat. Gonna grab a jug, have me a sip. Gonna dance a jig until my backbone slip. Jump on in and see if you float. Gonna rock the boat.
A little something in my glass, smooth sipping. Walking to the venue, everybody start tripping. Music so loud, the speakers started clipping. Got me banging my head so hard, my neck cricking. People walking up, shaking hands, high-fiving with all my bros, like we're drafted by the pros. Now you know the phantasmagorical flow. Hands to the sky when you're out at the show.
Gonna rockin' the boat.
Don't tip the pontoon, gotta keep it afloat.
Gonna rockin' the boat.
Hear the southern accent coming out of his throat.
Gonna rockin' the boat. Everybody rockin' the boat.
Gonna rock,
Gonna rock, rockin' the
gonna rock.
boat. Everybody rockin' the boat.